Okay, welcome to the next or another episode of Game Engine Programming with DirectX 9. In this episode, we're going to do we're going to continue with the geometrics theme, and we're going to do geometrics in 2D space. First of all, 2D space within DirectX. Different to other APIs, it starts in the upper left, so up here. Or as you're seeing it on the screen, it would be up here, would be 0, 0. X goes to the right, Y goes downwards. So if I want to plot the point 1, 1, go across 1 on X, down 1 on Y. Representing these coordinates, just like in maths. In normal math classes, most of the way through school and that, you would do coordinates and graphs and stuff. From there, you'll know that you plot your x point first and your y-axis second, such as the example at the bottom. 1 is the x-axis, 2 is the y-axis, so you go across 1 on x, down 2 on y. How does it apply to geometry, so joining 2D spaces? Oh, coordinates. The coordinate for the first position here, I've made it 2, 2, so 2y, 2 down, or 2x, 2y. You must connect the vertices in a clockwise manner. So, follow the arrows. This is because DirectX and other APIs would draw the face on the clockwise side. So if I drew this anti-clockwise, the visible face would be on the back, so it would be invisible from here. It's a weird concept to understand unless you put it into practice. Also, all plotted values must be positive, else you won't be able to see them from the screen. So if I plot off the graph, it will no longer be valid. Just like, I don't know, coordinates in maths, when you have a negative value and you've only got a positive graph, you can't plot that negative value. DirectX does pretty much the same until you get into 3D. Many people make changes with coordinate systems within DirectX, mainly because compared to OpenGL, which starts in the bottom left, it can be slightly tedious to convert between the two of them if you keep the standard coordinate system. Therefore, many people invert the y-axis, so it goes from normal DirectX to an OpenGL type graph or coordinate system. This coordinate system, starting from the bottom left, is standard within OpenGL, and if you've done maths, you'll be used to working from the bottom left. It's mostly common sense for many people, although some people do prefer to start from the upper right, upper left. Any questions or anything you don't quite agree with, feel free to email me. My email address is on the screen. Next lesson we'll do coordinates in 3D space, building off of this coordinate system here, the OpenGL one with the inverted y-axis.